Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can enable the offline mode in the Pale Moon browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you'd like to use the offline mode on Pale Moon, for instance, if you for a moment get disconnected from your online connection, you can do this here on Pale Moon by clicking into this button in the top left of your Pale Moon browser, then navigate to Developer Tools. And the second option from the top will be work offline. So make sure that there is a check mark like this by clicking into it. And as you can see now, you can, for example, stay on the given page and it will, for example, the given website will be, or page will be displayed. However, guys, since you're not online but offline, you won't be able to, I don't know, browse the internet or something like that. So we need to go online again. And that's it, guys. For example, if you have edits to be saved on the given page, these can be saved in the offline mode as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we see you next time on our channel.